Hi there, students. The other day I was asked by a student, are there any Hungarian words in English? And I thought about it and I couldn't directly think of it. But Biro. Biro is definitely a Hungarian word. Let's see, in British English, a biro is a ballpoint pen. Yeah, this is a common name in English for a ballpoint pen. Have you got a biro? Could you lend me a biro? Okay, and let's see. A biro originally was a brand of pens made by the Bic Corporation. I know in many countries they say, have you got a Bic? Yeah, as well. But have you got a ballpoint? I think in the US they would use a ballpoint. In the UK as well, have you got a ballpoint pen? Okay, so it's a Bic is just a British word for a biro. A ballpoint pen is a trademark. So let's see. Origin. Well, the biro was invented by a person called Laszlo Biro. Okay, and Laszlo Biro was a Hungarian, so clearly this word is of Hungarian origin. Let's see. The biro was invented to replace the pen that you had to dip in your ink and write with, which I've never had to do, luckily, but it must have been a real pain because you've got to use blotting paper and it's easy to get blots all over your paper. So they invented the ballpoint pen. It's a pen with a little ball at the end to distribute the ink. And, well, I'm sure you've all got a biro. Yeah, I was looking for a good example of a biro, but this is the only one I could find. But it's definitely a biro. It's a ballpoint pen. Okay, so a biro. So if a Brit says to you, can I borrow a biro? Yeah, I've got to buy some biros when I go to the shop. Yeah, and that's what it means. Okay, so a biro, a kind of pen. Formality. 5 in formality, use it anywhere, but remember this is a British word. In the US they're probably not going to understand it, and the origin, well, it comes from Laszlo Biro. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Biro.